Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through how to search the Halton Hills Public Library's online catalog, Encore. Encore is HHPL's catalog for our physical collection of books, movies, video games, board games, and other items, and some of our ebooks from Overdrive and Cloud Library. To reach our catalog from our homepage, hhpl.on.ca, either click on Search Our Catalog or enter your search term in the search bar, what are you looking for? As mentioned, the HHPL catalog is great for searching our physical collection and some of our ebook audiobook providers. However, make sure to individually search our electronic resources for your desired title, author, artist, or research topic. First, we will cover how to search on Encore for both physical collection items and for research articles. To search on Encore, you can search by author, title, or topic. In this example, we will search for author Desmond Cole, and then you can hit enter or click the arrow. In this case, The Skin We're In by Desmond Cole is your top result of 9. If your search had too many results, you can refine your results with the categories available on the left. You can also use Encore to search some of our databases of articles. From the homepage of Encore, click Articles. From there, you can type in your search terms. In this example, we have typed gardening. Now click the arrow or enter to search. Gardening was a very broad search term, and we got over 70,000 results from one database. As you can see, all of these results are from the Canadian Reference Centre. However, you could also click through the other databases to see more results. Finally, you can see what results would appear in the catalog for your search for gardening. For more options to narrow results, go to the database directly from our website under Research and Support. Next, we will cover how to use the Advanced Search function. Under the search bar, click on Advanced Search. Or under the search bar, click on Advanced Search. In this example, just a search for gardening left us with too many results. To narrow the results, we have added Canada as a keyword and have also asked the database to eliminate all results that include vegetables. Finally, we want the item to be located in our Georgetown Adult Collection and be a material in English. Now click Search. Using the Advanced Search, we have narrowed the results to a more manageable number, and the results are more accurate to what we were really looking for. Next, we will go over how to locate new and upcoming releases. From Encore, click on Just Arrived and Coming Soon on the right side of the page. This will take you to a page on our website. From there, you can choose between new and coming soon books, movies, TV and video games, and audiobooks. From there, you can browse new and upcoming titles in the catalog and add your name to the holds list. Discover our collection for yourself. Explore our catalog and discover our electronic resources available for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.